Hello, welcome back to Glorious and Brassier Kitchen. Today we're making yam and garden eggs stew, traditional one. Yeah, so here I have my yams with my garden eggs, ntrowa and a bayere. With the tomatoes so I added one big tomatoes with my kobe and some peppers. I'm going to boil all this together. Start with the eggs. So the eggs is coming. Okay, this is salt. I added some salt. Now here are my 3 eggs. I'm telling you, this food was so yummy. Yeah, dankasa. Okay, it's ready. Let me say, shabayire. Bekese Ghana. Hey, punna. Just a bayire is so soft and yeah, dankasa. See here, this is the peppers with onion and garlic and ginger. I'm grounding it. Mary jam. In earthenware. I'm using earthenware. You can use blender. I added everything together. Yes, now it's ready. This is quick one. Look at that. This is energized food. Thanks for watching. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.